the Lord my soul. Oh Lord my God, how great you are. You are clothed with majesty and glory. You cover yourself with light. You have spread out the heavens like a tent and build your home on the waters above. You use the clouds as your chariot and ride the wings of the wind. You use the winds as your